Hot dog, check it out. Orange Mustang from Maisto, right here in H-Dub.
Alright!
So welcome everybody back to the channel, and I swear I wasn't ever going to buy 18 scale cars anymore, but here we are. We've got a Shelby GT 500 in one of the coolest colors that I've seen in a while. It is your orange dream, your fluorescent orange. I don't know what it is, but I liked it. I liked it bad enough that I went and I bought it. So here we are. Let's take a look. So I got the box open here. Let's see if I can slide it out and talk with you and not drop the car. So I do have plans for my 1/18 scale cars. I do want to put them back on display again, and I would like to have them in the background of the videos of our videos. But I think what I might end up doing is I might set it up in Studio A, which is where we are now. This is where I'm going to run all of our whatnot sales are going to be out of this studio, and then when I do collaborative stuff with Boss 2, we're going to do it out of the Studio B. So let's take off the Diecast killer and ruining most ruining s items on your cars, and it's these stupid little plastic tabs. Please take those off. Let your car breathe. And these little rubber band things, let's get those off. If you leave those on your car and you think you're gonna store it like that, it's gonna end up eating your paint off, and I'd rather have it not on than having to deal with, well, this was not a high dollar car, but I don't want to have to deal with a high dollar car with paint coming off because I forgot to take these little rubber bands off. So I believe that's off. So I just noticed something now. It is very similar in color to the Fox body that came out from the convention, and I'm very, very happy. I think I'm, nosy around the store for a while with this. Well, welcome back. The batteries went dead in the camera because it was like, hey, you haven't filmed videos in so long. I'm working overtime here and used up way too much battery. So here we are, back again. And I don't remember what I was talking about before the camera died, so I'm probably just pick up where I'm assuming I left off. And that was, my intention was never to buy more 18 scale cars. I do love the 18 scale cars. However, they take up a lot of room, and they for display they take up a lot of room, and I don't like to keep them in the box. So I give in. Yes, I do. I gave in. And I gave in this one. I remember buying a white one. I don't think that was a GT 500 though. That had the police on the side. So this one came from Costco. The white one with the police on the side came from Sam's Club, and both of them get the same Maisto pallets. However, it comes with different exclusives, and for some reason I could not find out what was the exclusive in this case or in this release or in that pallet, because I was at Costco, not Sam's Club. But you know what? I do have grand plans for this room. This is Studio B. So as you can see, I do have bare walls, and there's my camera truss there. The walls I want to put up shelving, and I'm going to put up my 1/18 scale cars in here, and I'm going to be able to stand, and I want to do live streams, so I want to be able to put up a camera stand, have that in the background, and then take questions and answers, or even just have you guys eavesdrop in on my uh, when I make custom cars. So, but I might put those on the second channel because it might not have any talking content, anything real. It's just gonna be me with the camera on and doing a custom car in front of me. So, um, let me know what you think about these. This is a 2023 release of the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500. I'm head over heels for this. I turned down the white one. There was a white one there, but when I saw the orange, I just had to get it. So I like unique colors. I like unique types of cars, but I really love Mustangs. So when I got this one in that unique orange color, I would have got the blue. I believe there's a blue last year, if I'm not mistaken, but it looked exactly like. Oh, I just had the Johnny Lightning here. So it looked kind of like the. It kind of looked just. I mean, this is also GT500, I believe. Yeah, it's a GT500. There's a white version, a black version, and a blue version. So it was that color scheme, and it wasn't anything extravagant like this. So that's why I didn't buy that one last year. So tell what you think down in the comments. Let me know when I start working on the Shelby. I'll probably put up some status videos or how it's going so far. Check us out over on Whatnot. That is where I do sell all of the extra diecast that I get in from conventions. So that if I don't end up keeping them, that's where they're going to go. And I'm going to use that money from Whatnot to fund getting more stuff to view on this channel and or funding other content. I've had some ideas that I wanted to run with Boss 2 with, and I think now that my work schedule is going to change from 5 days to 4 days, I think I'm going to have some extra time for that. So stay tuned, check back often. Go over to the second channel, subscribe to that one. I might be putting content up there. It's going to be raw content, nothing extravagant, just what's going on with Diecast World in my Diecast world. So thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you all on the next video. Whoa, 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 before you go, don't forget to check out our end screen where you'll see links to our previous video, a video YouTube thinks you like, and a link to our second channel.